Aloha fellow eaters, Foodz here helping you find your foods folks, and today we'll be having nature's candy, sweet cherries, rises sucrose. And right before we start eating, I just wanna remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourishes us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods folks worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip to the video in the parts you want to see. Ooh, that's beautiful. Let's take one or maybe two. There we go. Alright, we have two, guys. Ta-ta. Mmm. 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 Oh. Juicy. Mm-hmm. Nice red color. Oh, I give this a 4.9 out of 5 stars. Nice, cold, juicy, good, soft meat in the middle, a fruit in the middle, and nice skin. Good. When you bite into it, it has this nice popping feeling to it. Oh, it's good. Sweet, little sour, like very little, and it's not too sweet too. Oh, look at that! It's beautiful. Thank you, folks, for watching. And for more Foodz Unboxes right here, folks, and for other foods right there. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you're also supporting all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these